Hey there, my fellow bike enthusiasts. Are you tired of pedaling up steep hills, sweating profusely, and arriving at your destination looking like a hot mess? Well, have no fear because the electric bike is here. But let's be real, most e-bikes are pretty pricey. And not everyone has the cash to drop on one. Fear not, my thrifty friends, because today we're talking about the best electric bikes under $1,000. Now, we know what you're thinking. How can a quality bike be sold for such a low price? Well, it's not easy. And that's why we've sifted through the options to bring you only the best of the best. First up, we have the VIVI 26 inches Foldable Ebike. This baby packs a punch with its 3,500 high-speed motor, allowing you to cruise at speeds of up to 20 miles per hour on the high setting. Plus, with a removable 374.4 watt-hours battery, charging is a breeze, taking only 4 to 5 hours to fully charge. And did we mention it folds up? That's right, this little guy can fit in the trunk of your car, making it the perfect commuter bike for beginners and pros alike. But wait, there's more. The VIVI Ebike also boasts 21 gears, hand throttle, pedal assist, and a headlight and bell for safety. Plus, the front shock absorption and high-performance 26-inch air-filled tires ensure a smooth and stable ride, even on bumpy terrain. Next up, we have the Jasion EB7 2.0 electric bike. This bad boy is equipped with a powerful 5V brushless motor, allowing you to conquer hills with ease and reach max speeds of 20 mph, and with a range of up to 20 to 40 miles per charge. You'll have plenty of time to explore the great outdoors, but it's not just about power with the Jasion EB7. This electric fat tire bike has dual suspensions, ensuring a comfortable and stable ride on any terrain. Plus, with its foldable design, you can easily take it with you on your travels. Safety is also a top priority with the Jasion EB7. It comes with front and rear mechanical disc brakes, a bright headlight, and adjustable rear light, ensuring you can see and be seen at all times. And with an intuitive LCD display showing speed, battery charge, and more, you'll have all the information you need at your fingertips. We also have the Ride1Up Roadster V2. This e-bike is a steal, with a price that hops back and forth from $995 to $1,095, depending on the time of year and current sale. Even when it falls just north of the $1,000 mark, the Roadster V2 is an awesome deal. But you should know going in that this is very much a pedal-oriented e-bike. There's no throttle and the motor is only moderately powerful, peaking at 5 That means the Roadster V2 is best for someone who enjoys cycling and simply wants an assist motor to help them go faster and farther. Next up, we have the Electric XP 3.0. If you like the idea of a low-cost US-based company like Electric Ebike but want something with more power than their XP Lite, consider the $999 Electric XP 3.0. The XP 3.0 was just unveiled last month and is the newest version of America's best-selling electric bike. The XP 2.0, in my opinion, this is the current king of bang-for-your-buck electric bikes right now. It combines high performance with an awesome price. With a fast 28 miles per hour speed, comfortable ride with front suspension, nimble yet thick 3-inch tires, and a powerful 10,000 peak rated motor. Next on the list is the Jackrabbit Micro e-bike at $999. This baby blurs the line between an electric bike and an electric scooter. It may lack pedals, but with 20-inch wheels and a bicycle seat, it feels more like a folding e-bike than a scooter, and with a 3,000 motor. It can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. The 158 watt-hours battery may only offer a range of 10 to 12 miles, but it's small enough to easily carry a spare in your pocket or purse. Plus, at just 23 pounds, it's one of the lightest e-bikes out there. Swagtron Swag Cycle EB5 electric bike. This bad boy adds a boost of swag to your daily commute with its long-lasting battery and quality materials. From bustling cities to rural countryside, this e-bike can take you just about anywhere, with a top speed of just over 15 miles per hour. You can choose to use the power assist or pedal your way to your destination for a workout, and with its triple fold design, it's easily portable and can fit into even the tightest spaces. Propella Mini at $849. This little guy may look a bit unusual at first, but its quirky design makes for a super nimble and lightweight ride. Sure, it may not be the fastest with a top speed of just 18 miles per hour. A great option for anyone who doesn't mind pedaling as long as you get a decent electric boost. Plus, those bright blue rims, white chain, and sleek black frame make for a killer aesthetic. Electric XP Lite. It's likely the latest king of bang for your buck electric bikes. For years, the $999 Electric XP 2.0 and its previous 1.0 predecessor reigned supreme in the budget electric bike category. That's still a great bike, and we'll discuss it next. But the recently released and more affordable $799 Electric XP Lite is an even more wallet-friendly electric bike. It's a throttle-enabled class to folding electric bike with 20 wheels, a max speed of 20 miles per hour, 32 kilometers per hour, and a motor rated for 3,000 continuous and 7,200 peak. So there you have it. Folks, these are the best electric bikes you can get for under $1,000. Don't let the price tag fool you. These e-bikes are affordable and high quality. So, if you're in the market for an electric bike, make sure to give these a try. And hey, if you like this article, why not subscribe to our channel for more content? Trust me, we're not just pedaling around here.